Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Mechagodzilla. So to start off, we're going to begin with his face. So starting right up here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes a little bit at a diagonal. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then back up for his eye. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw this line a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to add a curved line on top for his eyebrow. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over a little bit, and then it's just going to curve up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line at diagonal, and then curve it up here for where the other eyebrow is. Then right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line down. And then I'm going to put another diagonal line down right here. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this and go down and up for like the nose. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line for the eye. And then I'm just going to draw another line going down here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out at an angle, down, over, up, and then back over here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, down again at an angle, and then over to here. Then I'm going to connect this with a little line. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves around and then comes back. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, up, and then over a diagonal. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up here. Then I'm just going to add some teeth in here. Now, starting up here by the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around, goes over, and then back up here. Then I'm going to draw a line just kind of curves around here like this. Then I'll add a little line that goes down and then up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up here. Then we'll add another little line right here. Now on top of his head, I'm going to draw two little bumps like this. Then I'm going to draw a line here that goes up at an angle and then over. And then it's just going to curve back like this. Then I'll add another little line right here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over to here to kind of show where the neck is forming. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, over, down, back up, and then like this. Then right here, just going to draw a line that goes down, kind of forms like a V shape right here. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over like this. Now starting right here for his chest, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, then straight down, and then in. Then I'm going to go up at an angle and then straight up here. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line like this around. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line that goes down at an angle and then up and then over like this. Then just going to draw a line that kind of curves around like this. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up at an angle, down at an angle like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing one more time. And then just a line that curves down. So then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then in. Add a small curved line. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, curves, and then kind of comes back like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and over. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that gets kind of pointy and comes back for like a thumb. And then a line that goes out and then kind of curves out and back for one finger. And then I'll put one more here and one more here. And then just kind of bring it back here. Now up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle and then out really long at another angle. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. Then right here, I'm just going to make a big kind of curved line where his arm's going to be. And then I'm going to make another curved line. Then I'm going to go down at an angle and then curve up and down and then bring it back here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, curves, and then comes around here and back up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and down for a thumb. And then just going to make some long, kind of pointy lines for his hand. Then I'm just going to connect these lines right here. Then I'm going to curve this right here so it connects. And then I'm just going to bring these lines down. And then I'm just going to curve this in and bring it right to there. So now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out at an angle and then down and kind of curves around. Then I'm going to curve this up and then bring it up here. Then for his legs, I'm going to start right here and draw a line that curves down, goes over, and then has a big curve that kind of wraps around here. Then a line here that goes down, curves, comes here. Then a line right here that goes down, over, up, and comes right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around here. And that didn't really leave a lot of room for his feet, but we'll fit him in here. I'm just going to make a line that goes up, down at an angle, then it's going to kind of curve back like this. Then another line that curves down, and another one here for a toe. Then over here, I'm just going to start right here, draw a line that curves down, goes up, over, down, and then kind of curves around. Then draw a little line that goes down, and then over here. A little curve line. And then a line that just goes down, over, up, and then over. Another little line that curves around. And then here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves down and over, and then make a few more for the other foot, and then I'll bring it over here, and then go up. Then I'm just going to curve this line right around here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down, and then curves back at an angle. And then I'm going to draw another shape that does the same thing, and then I'm just going to go over towards the leg. Then I'm going to draw another one like this. And then I'm going to make a real long one. And then a little small one at the end. Now for a spike. So start up here on the neck. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, down, up, and then back down like this, kind of like a letter M. Draw another one. And another one. Then I'm just going to make some of these get a little bit bigger as they go farther down his body. And then we're going to get a little bit smaller as they go down his tail. Put one more right here. Okay, so there's our basic Mechagodzilla shape. Now we want to add some of the different details. So right here, he's got a line that comes down. And then he's got some diagonal lines on each side. Draw an extra little line here. He's got some different little kind of gadget lines all around his face there. Put a little curved line here. Add another little line right here. Add a line that goes down and then up, kind of curves around. Little line down here. And then two curved lines right there. Some more diagonal lines. Over here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And then I'm going to add some different lines onto his fingers, and then a little curved line here for his hand. Do the same thing on here, just put two little curved lines. Draw a straight line down, and then just a few bumps to show where his knuckles are. Here, you're going to make a line that goes up and down towards the arm. A little diagonal line there. A little extra line here. Line that curves down, goes over. A couple more lines right here, color this in. Little rectangular shape right here, kind of colored in, draw a line there. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves up here, a line that curves right there. Little line that comes down, goes over, and then back up here. Line that goes over and then back up. Little circle shape right there. Line that goes down at an angle and then kind of curves back. Bring some extra little lines up here. Add some extra little lines just around here. Just add extra little details to make it look a little more robotic. You want lots of like angled lines all around here. Just to kind of help it look a little bit more geometric, not so organic like some of our other Godzilla drawings. So add some little extra lines all around. Some lines down here. And then right here, I'm just going to add an extra line on the edge of all these just to make it look like it is a little bit more three-dimensional. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mechagodzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.